The 1895 Church of Stuart hosts its Arts and Relics Sale this weekend, May 14th and 15th, to raise money to replace the church steeple. Pastor Jeff Bennett from the First United Methodist Church and Reverend Patsy McGregor from St. Mary's Episcopal Church in Stuart opened the event with prayers.
And we ask your blessings upon this art sale.
Stuart's Vice Mayor Troy MacDonald, representing the city, spoke to the crowd on this second Saturday of Historic Preservation Month.
It's really great that we come out during Historic Preservation Month and celebrate some of the historic buildings and properties within the city of Stuart.
Alice Luckhart, Stuart historian and writer, gave the background of the 1895 church, which has served the community as a church, youth building, and art studio.
The congregation started meeting in the early 1894 time period when we were known as Potsdam.
Current owners of the 1895 Church of Stuart, Robert and Olga Hamilton, were introduced and thanked the community and sponsors for their help supporting the Art and Relics Sale event.
Thank you for coming to our Art and Relics Sale event to help us to rebuild this Steeple back. We are very thankful to the entire community, and I also would like to thank our sponsors.
Thank you, Robert and Olga, and thank you everybody for coming out today. My firm, Lesser Landy & Smith, and Gary Lesser, our managing partner's grandfather, started Lesser Landy & Smith in 1827. So we're not quite as old as the 1895 Church of Stuart. But we certainly have 95 years of history in our background, and I think that history is probably one of the most important things that we can teach our children, we can learn from.
Sisters Joe and Judy from Stuart's pioneering Kitching family surprised the Hamiltons with a brick from the original 1895 church and gave their approval and support to the project to restore the steeple. From 311 Southwest 3rd Street in downtown Stuart, this is Barry Grant Marsh reporting.